Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about some very special sounds in words called long vowels. Does anyone know what a vowel is? Great! Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. And sometimes these vowels make a sound that says their name. When they do, we call them long vowel sounds. Let's look at each one on its own. This is the letter A. When we hear the long A sound, it sounds like A, just like the letter's name. Can anyone think of a word with the long A sound? Right! Cake and rain both have the long A sound. The A says A, just like its name. Now let's talk about the letter E. The long E sounds like E, like in the word tree. Can anyone think of another word with the long E sound? Yes! Great job! Tree, seed, and beach all have the long E sound. The E says E. Next up is the letter I. When we hear the long I sound, it sounds like I, like in the word kite. What other words can you think of with the long I sound? Exactly! Kite, pie, and five all have the long I sound. They say I. Now we have the letter O. The long O sounds like O, as in boat. Can anyone think of another long O word? Nice job! Boat, nose, and go all have the long O sound. The O says O. And finally, the letter U. The long U sounds like U, like in the word cube. Can anyone think of another long U word? Yes! Cube, mule, and flute all have the long U sound. The U says U. All right, now that we know what long vowels are, let's play a game to practice them. It's called the Long Vowel Sound Hunt. In this game, you're going to go on a hunt to find things around this room that have long vowel sounds. Here's how it works. You'll try to find an object or word for each long vowel sound. Long A, long E, long I, long O, and long U. For example, gate. Can you see a gate? Perfect! Great job, everyone! Let's gather around and share what we found. Who wants to start with a word for the long A sound? Excellent! Painting. A, painting. Next, easel. Excellent! That's the long E sound. And now I. Very good! Ice cream. Fantastic! Now, what comes next? We've got the long O. Yes, the bone. The O sounds like O. And last but not least, we've got, yes, you found it, the ukulele, where the U sounds like U. Wow, you all found so many amazing long vowel sounds. Now you know that vowels can say their name when they're long. Great work on our long vowel sound hunt. See you next time.